Today we're going to be installing and testing out the Whitestone Dome Glass Premium Screen Protector. Now this screen protector does use liquid adhesive to install the screen protector on the phone, and if you're wondering why you would need the liquid adhesive, that's an excellent question. If you have scratches on your phone screen, the liquid adhesive can actually fill in those cracks to make it look like the screen is brand new, and the thin layer of adhesive can also act as a second layer of protection from scratches and drops. And the screen also blocks out blue light as well. I will also be doing a scratch test to find out how durable the screen protector really is. And if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not the screen protector is worth your time. So let's get started. First, let's see what you get inside the box. So here we have our little UV light. We have an installation packet, 3 vials of liquid adhesive, our installation jig, a bridge, 2 tempered glass screen protectors, some stickers, and the installation guide. So before you do this installation, there are a couple things that I would definitely recommend you get before you start. One, you will need a power source for your UV lights. This uses a USB Type-C connection, so you can simply use a power adapter from your phone. And the next thing I would get is some paper towels and some Q-tips just in case it gets a little messy. Also make sure your UV light works. So the first thing we need to do is to clean off our screen. And I'd also recommend cleaning off the edges as well because we're going to apply some stickers. Next, thoroughly make sure you dry off the screen and the sides. Make sure you remove any dust. Then we need to apply our hinge sticker to the middle hinge of the phone. You're going to peel off one side of the sticker and then place it on your phone. It should look something like that. Just make sure that you align the sticker perfectly with the metal and not go onto the actual screen. Then just leave this other side on here so you can peel it up. Then make sure to cover the speaker on the bottom, your SIM card slot, and the speaker on the top. Then you're going to take your jig. We're going to install one of the felt pads on the side here. The next one we'll install after we put this over our phone. So open up your phone, place it on a flat surface just like this. Make sure there's no dust on the screen. Then place the jig over your phone just like this and press it into place. Then take your other felt pad and we're going to put it right underneath here. Just like that. Then you're going to take this little plastic piece, we're going to stick it in the slot here, making sure that this little portion fits right into the slot here, and you should hear a little clip. Also make sure your phone is flush inside the jig, so just lift up on it after you put this plastic piece in and just press up on your phone to make sure that it's up flush with the jig. Next, you want to take one of these little speaker stickers, peel it off very carefully. We're going to place it over the little gray plastic piece, and this is going to cover your front speaker. Once that's in place, I would get something kind of thin, kind of like this little black piece that comes with it, and then just press along the sticker to make sure that it's down over the speaker grill. So you can see it is totally covering the speaker and it's nice and flat. Just be very careful when you're doing that. It doesn't take a lot of pressure. Next, take that little black plastic piece that you have. We're going to stick it in between the little slot here, just like that. Get one of your screen protectors ready. Next, you're going to take this bridge and we're going to place it in each one of these sides here, just like that. Make sure your phone is on a flat surface because once we release the adhesive, the bubble may move if it's not. But if you need to, you can pick up this whole thing and kind of manipulate it so the bubble stays where it needs to. So take your vial, we're going to undo the purple portion first. Then flip this vial upside down into this little hole here. And then undo the black cap. So my bubble's already starting to move. So I just lift it up and kind of move it around. Once all the liquid adhesive has come out, you can put the black cap back on and then remove the vial. Then you can remove the little bridge. Then take one of your screen protectors. We're going to peel off the bottom protector. Then make sure that the camera cutout goes towards your phone. We're going to lay in the bottom portion first and the top portion is going to rest over the little black piece. Now what we need to do is make sure that this bubble here gets in between these two markers in the middle as a full circle. So we're going to let the jig down. The bubble should move down, and once this circle hits the middle here, we'll pull out the pin. Release the pin. And then just let it cover the whole screen. Do not touch the screen. So now once the adhesive covers the whole screen and you don't see any areas where there's no adhesive, we can start the curing. So we're going to take our UV light, we're going to put it over the phone, we're going to cure the bottom, middle, and top for 15 seconds each. All you need to do is press this button once and it automatically counts down 15 seconds. All right, once that's done, we can remove our device. We can peel off the top sticker. Then just press out your phone. Then we can clean up any areas that we still see liquid adhesive, but be very careful to not touch the screen because we still need to cure it for a little bit more. So it doesn't look like the adhesive got anywhere on the sides there or the bottom. We just have a little bit here that we can just very gently clean up in the middle. For the most part, the installation looks pretty clean. All right, so once you've cleaned up your phone, we're going to do the second curing. This time we're going to be doing 60 seconds. So all you need to do is double press the button and it'll count down 60 seconds, bottom, middle, top. Then we're going to do it one more time, bottom, middle, and top for 60 seconds each. And then again, one more time. All right, and then once it's done curing, we can remove all our stickers. And as you can see, no liquid adhesive got into my front speaker here. Not even close. Speaker grill on the top, my SIM card tray, and the bottom speaker. So now I'm just going to clean this up one more time here. Get rid of any of the sticker adhesive and then clean off our screen. And there we go. The screen looks amazing. I don't see any bubbles. There's no lifting. There's a nice cutout for your front camera. And like I said before, no liquid adhesive leaked anywhere on my phone. It's nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone itself. As you can see, it's also nice and clear. Touch working perfectly fine. No issues there. The edges of the glass are also rounded off, so when you run your finger over it, it's nice and smooth. Now as far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up very minor fingerprints, but again, you can very, very easily just wipe those away because it does have an oleophobic coating to keep fingerprints to a minimum. So very nice so far, and as you can see, it doesn't come all the way to the edge of the phone, so it should be case compatible, but let's check that out right now. So here I have my top portion of my case. We'll put it on our phone. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. As you can see, there is still a gap around the screen, so this screen protector should be case friendly with most cases, if not all. It doesn't even begin to touch the screen on the sides, so you don't have to worry about any lifting or bubbles. All right, so now let's move on to the scratch resistance. So tempered glass typically starts to scratch around a number 6. So we're going to start off with a number 5 Mohs pick, and we'll move on from there. And here we have a number 6, and then a number 7. So as you can see, there are no scratches at the number 5. There are scratches at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance on this screen protector is pretty much on par with other tempered glass screen protectors. So installation was pretty straightforward and it really wasn't that bad. If I can do it, I know that you can definitely do it. It is also case friendly, which is awesome. It does really well with fingerprints, and the scratch resistance is standard for tempered glass screen protectors. So I would definitely recommend this screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you want to remove the screen protector from your phone, you can do that as well. It's just going to take a little bit of patience. Now, if you want to remove it, what I would recommend doing is either taking your fingernail or a credit card or something thin and rigid and starting to lift up the screen protector in one corner, and then just kind of work your way around the whole screen until you can eventually lift up the whole screen protector. So I'm going to try to use the edge of this wipe to just try to start the screen protector, and as you can see, it's already starting to lift. Once that happens, you can kind of just continue down and release the whole screen protector. Now that was just the start. Once you get it started, you can kind of stick something better under there, like a credit card. That is definitely a lot easier to use, just like that. We'll remove this. And then, like I said, just work your way around, releasing the adhesive all the way around the screen. You want to be very careful when you're doing this, because if your screen protector is cracked, you don't want to crack it anymore, so just take your time. So now the screen protector is totally released. We can take it off, and as you can see, the screen is totally clean. All the adhesive is still on the screen protector. Once you've totally taken off the screen protector, you can just take an alcohol wipe and then just clean your screen off like you would normally. And there you go, the screen is not damaged and it looks brand new. No adhesive at all. So as you saw, the installation really wasn't that hard, and if you're worried about doing it, just follow my instructions and you should be fine. I've been using Whitestone Dome screen protectors for many years now, and they've always treated me good, especially on the curved screens. So I would definitely recommend the Whitestone Dome Glass Premium Screen Protector, and if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting a link in the video description. So if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.